This is a video that demonstrates how to create YouTube channel. As you're looking at the screen now, you can see a lot of apps on the screen. You click on this YouTube app. Click the YouTube app. This is YouTube app. As you are seeing it.
My bank app is charging me for every single thing. No.
Click the right to you. And the right corner.
Look at this. Look at this. I don't use my whole bank app. Bro, you should try this for yourself.
This plus sign. Subscription. The last one at the right corner. The right to you. Click on you. You can see my name here, my channel name, Dominionglobaltv. That is my channel name. Now you click on this my name. When you open like this, you click on your name. When you click on your name, it has opened. It has opened now. Now the next thing to do is edit channel. This is my channel. This is my channel. This is my channel. Now you have to enter edit channel. You edit channel here. Are you seeing it? You see name, channel name. You type the name. Handle. You type the name also, but you will not give space. You type the name. On this handle, you will type that same name, but you will not give space. Description. Come down to description. Description. On this description, you will go to ChatGPT. You tell him to write description for your YouTube channel name. You tell him the name of your YouTube channel. He will now write a description. Then you copy the description and then click on this icon button here on the description and then paste your description. You see my own. You see how it is. Welcome to Dominionglobaltv, your daily source of motivation, faith, breakthrough, and others. You paste it here. When you paste it, you click save. It will save automatically. That is how to create YouTube channel. Then you see your picture here. I see picture. You click on the picture. When you click on the picture, it will take you to your gallery. You select your picture. You select a good picture, not anyhow picture, a good picture. You can design your picture. You can take ChatGPT to design picture. You can use a Gemini app to design your picture. Let the picture look professional and very neat. Then you choose the picture and save it. After saving your profile picture, you go back. When you go back, you see this other place where they have picture sign, background picture. Remember this one I just told you now is a profile picture. Then this one that is at the back is called background picture. You now click on the background picture. It take you to where to select your picture. This one does not carry big picture. This one just carries small. Not every picture that can enter here is just like a banner. Maybe design something like a banner that carries your channel name. That is the one that can enter in this particular background picture. After setting it, that is how to. That is if you have opened your channel. You have opened your channel. Then you come down here, you see community, privacy. Community privacy. You have to tick it as it is in my own. This is my community. You see it. When you see it like this, then you have to click it like this. Privacy. Keep all my subscription private. It's like this when you see it like this, but you click it, let it be white. let the icon be white color. When you do like this, you have open YouTube channel. This is how to create playlists. This is my channel. When you open your YouTube, you will see things like this. Now you want to create playlist. This plus sign, can you see plus sign? This plus sign here, there's a plus sign here. Click on this plus sign. See what is showing? New playlist. You type on the name of the playlist, Dominionglobaltv. You come down to private visibility. You click it. You choose public. Choose public. Choose public and then click on this good. Click on the good. You click good. Then you come down to collaborate. You touch on this button here. Touch on this button and collaborate. Then you click on create. You can see. Can you see it? Automatically you have created playlist. After that, you click on this sign here, this pencil sign. Click on this pencil sign. Are you seeing it? When you click on this pencil sign, the first thing you to do now is to save picture. Then click on the pencil sign again, and then choose your picture. Choose the picture you want to put on that playlist. Meanwhile, you must ask ChatGTP to design playlist picture for you, depending on the type of video you want to be putting in that playlist. That is the type of picture that will be created or generated from ChatGTP for your playlist. Let us assume I want to use Jesus. I want to be producing Jesus film, Jesus video, and the playlist is talking about Jesus. I will now save it with this Jesus picture here, which I already produced. I already generated it. Then choose on your picture, and then click on the picture. It will save. It will save automatically. Let us assume I want to use Jesus picture. I will now choose Jesus picture. This is it. You can see this is Jesus picture. You click on done. The picture have saved. You see description, playlist description. Click on this description. Remember, ChatGTP will write description for your playlist. You copy it from ChatGTP and then paste it here. You paste your description, then you go back and click on save. Save. It have saved. Automatically you have created your playlist. You can see my playlist have been created, but I'm not creating playlist, so I have to delete it. I have playlist already, so I have to delete it. This is how to create your playlist. Thank you for watching from Dominion Global TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.